Hi class, how are you going? Most of you are really on top of the maths work I've set, which makes me happy and leads to your outcomes being ticked off. Today's lesson focuses on compass directions. Some of you might already know most of it. So on a map, like this treasure map here, a compass is an important tool. It can be used to direct someone to a certain location. On a map, north will almost always point to the top. Like this map here of Victoria, you always will see it this way up, with north facing to the top. Like if I showed you this map of Australia, it's upside down and it looks weird because north isn't facing to the top. I could only think of one or two other examples where north isn't to the top of a map. This is a map of the Grand Prix, and the reason why they don't have north entirely to the top is to do with the starting point of where the cars race on the circuit. So a compass has these directions. North is at the top, south is at the bottom, east is to this right hand side, and west to the left. So to remember the way it goes round, I would use the never eat soggy Weet-Bix. So never eat soggy Weet-Bix. So on our compass, we can also describe directions as being between north and east. So we call this northeast, and between east and south, southeast. Between south and west, southwest, and we've got northwest there. So these might also be used to describe directions. A little bit of history for you. So around 2500 BC, the Chinese knew that a lodestone, which is like a naturally occurring magnetic mineral, on a piece of floating wood would always point itself in the same direction. Nowadays, modern compasses typically have a magnetic needle that floats freely on a central pivot and aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic field. Today's task is pretty straightforward. It's just two quick pages. The first one's around this map here. You can use the key to help you answer the questions. You're just filling in the compass, so never eat soggy Weet-Bix. And then there's a few questions about the direction of the various things on this map. Then the next one here, it's the same thing. We've got our compass with the directions, with the midpoint directions as well. And you'll just be asked various questions about this.